6 videos today. All right, but today's video is for Thursday, September 3rd. Let me get the calendar. Thursday, September 3rd. And we're going to do our writing lesson for Thursday, September 3rd. Just let me get to that. So yesterday we did the letter H, which says, it's like you're breathing out of your mouth. And now we're moving on to the letter I. You guys should know that one. That's a sight word too. So I. So let's do our uppercase I first. Okay, so the uppercase I is so straight and easy. I think we can fly through this one too, like we did the H. You start at the top and go straight down to the bottom, just like the side of the H. But then you go back to the top and you cross it across the top and you cross across the bottom. That one's kind of crooked, but it's okay. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to start at the top and go straight down. Pick your pencil up, go back to the top and go across the top. Pick your pencil up and go to the bottom and go ahead and mow across. Now our I letter says I. I'm going to do it again. Start at the top and go straight down. Many of you wrote this for me in our Google Meets when you did last week when you did the I am sentence. And then go across the top, pick your pencil up, and go across the bottom. Okay, I'm going to show you again. Start at the top and go straight down. Pick your pencil up, go back to the top and go across, and go to the bottom and go across. Now when you do your tops and your bottoms, you don't want them to be super long. That's way too long. And you also don't want them to be super tiny. That's a little bit too tiny. So it's from top to bottom, straight line. Pick your pencil up, go back to the top and go across, and go to the bottom and go across. One more thing I want to show you. When you are doing your top, you want to make sure it's directly at the top. See how I have that little bit sticking up? We don't want that little bit sticking up. We want it to be directly on the top. And the same for the bottom. You don't want a little bit sticking out right there. You want it to be right along that bottom line. So top to bottom, and back to the top, across the top, and across the bottom. Even use those journal lines to help you keep it straight. See how I wrote it right on the line and right on the line? Use those to help you make it as straight as you can. Okay, let's go to our journal page. Let's practice our uppercase I. I says I. So we start at the top and we go straight down. Pick your pencil up and go back to the top and go across the top. Pick your pencil up and go across the bottom. That looks good. Start at the top, go straight down, pick your pencil up, then go across the top, pick your pencil up, and go across the bottom. Whoa, that's a really good looking eye. I like that one. We're going to do it again. Start at the top and go straight down. Pick your pencil up, go back to the top and go across. Pick your pencil up and go to the bottom and go across. Let's do that again. Start at the top and go straight down. Pick your pencil up and go across the top. Pick your pencil up again and then go across the bottom. So again, remember, we don't want really skinny. I can barely tell that that's an I. We don't want really skinny. And we don't want really long. That's not a very good looking I. And you also don't want there to be anything sticking out the top or the bottom. You want them to run smoothly right across the top and smoothly across the bottom. I think I can fit another one here. Start at the top and go straight down. Pick your pencil up. Go back to the top and go across. Pick your pencil up and go to the bottom and go across. Okay, I'm going to take us back to our handwriting book so that we can check out the lowercase I. So we just did uppercase, now let's do lowercase. Look at that little lowercase I. It's so cute, right? So lowercase I, you start at that middle broken line and you go straight down to the bottom. Pick your pencil up and then dot it. Not a circle, not a big colored in blob, but just a little dot, just a little dot. So we're at the middle broken line and we go straight down and then we dot it. So with your pencil, all you're doing is dotting. That one's really small, but so with your pencil. But you're not drawing a circle and you're not making a big, huge, dark spot. It's just a nice little dot. So again, I'm going to erase this. You start at the middle, that broken line, and you go straight down to the bottom, and then you dot it. Start at the middle, that broken line, go straight down to the bottom, and then you dot it. That is a lowercase I. An I says I. All right, I'm going to our journal. Okay, so got your pencil, ready? Here's your middle line. You start at the middle and you go straight down to the bottom. Pick your pencil up and dot it. Start at the middle, go straight down to the bottom. Pick your pencil up and dot it. Start at the middle, go straight down, go as straight as you can get. You don't want a zigzag line or a slant. We don't want a slanted line. We don't want a zigzag line. We want it to be as straight as we can get it. And dot it. Start at the middle, go straight down, pick your pencil up and dot it. Start at the middle, go straight down, pick your pencil up. Remember, I don't want a big circle. I also don't want just an empty circle. We just need a little dot. Start at the middle, go straight down, pick your pencil up, and a little dot. I've got room for a couple more. Okay, start at the middle, go to the bottom. Oh, that's a red one. Start at the middle, go straight down, and little dot. Okay, let's illustrate something that starts with I. How about an igloo? You know what an igloo is? Those are like homes you can build in the snow. Let's get an igloo. First, I'm actually going to use my black to do the outline. So an igloo is kind of like a half circle, right? And it's made out of blocks of snow. So let's draw some lines, and then let's connect those lines like those are blocks of snow. Oh, no, I don't want one there because we got to put the entrance, right? The entrance. I think they show it like that if you're looking at an illustrated igloo. Okay, there's my igloo. Now I'm going to color that in a light color blue, kind of like snow. My iPad said low battery, so I'm kind of trying to get my igloo colored before the iPad dies, because I want to be able to say goodbye rather than just getting cut off in the video. So I'm kind of coloring kind of fast. My igloo, because I says like igloo. And I'm going to write the word igloo. So we have I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Don't forget to take a picture of your eyes and your igloo and send it to me so I can see how awesome it looks. All right, my friends, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.